Hey guys, hope you're doing well and welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to be talking about a TP-LINK product. It is a Wi-Fi extender. It's an AV-Line Wi-Fi extender, and if you haven't watched my previous video for a TP-LINK Wi-Fi extender, which was a pair which I unboxed, so click the link in the description over here and you'll find that video. It'll be very helpful if you're struggling with your Wi-Fi in your home, which is obviously lots of people are working nowadays from home, and you need that stability in your Wi-Fi connection. So I would really and highly recommend that you should buy this product. It's one of the latest products. Their previous products performance was not that good, but these products have got excellent performance. By the way, guys, I'm not affiliated with TP-LINK by any way, but I just buy their products like I buy Dell products, really like their products. So that is why TP-LINK's products are of my choice, and really love their products. Easy to use, simple to set up. This is the product which I'll be unboxing today. It's a pass-through, so it's just one piece of kit. This is just for users who already have a AV plug kit in their home or in their office and are looking to extend their existing network. Then you need a pass-through. So this is just a pass-through, and on the front it shows the complete picture of the product. On the left it gives you some information, and on the rear it also gives you a very simple display of how it will perform or how you can put it around your home if you have a multi-story home. And on the left it also gives you some details over here that how you need to connect it through the router and so on. But it's quite simple. It's not complicated at all. All you have to do is, in a nutshell, plug it in, press the pair button, and it'll be paired. And I'm not going to go into the settings because if you are a bit of a geek, then definitely you would go into the settings and change the channel and the bandwidth as well. So let's leave that to automatic and let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's go ahead and open it up. So I've just taken it out of the box. It comes in this white cardboard shell, and then inside you have a leaflet, and then you have the pass-through. Now this is really massive and big. As you can see, you have the pair button over here, Wi-Fi button, and in the rear you have the serial numbers. You need the Wi-Fi password and the SSID if you want to log in into this AV plug and then configure it. But ideally you can just leave it and it'll just pair up by pressing the pair button. On the front you have a socket where you can plug in your any device if you need to, and on the top you've got 3 Ethernet ports in case if you want to connect your laptop or your PC or any other telly directly through a cable. Then the internet signal would come through the plug and then it'll come out over here to the RJ45 connection. So on the front you have the power light, you have a home light, you have a LAN light, you have the so you've got these two lights. So one light is for the Wi-Fi and one light is for just to let you know that it is basically paired. So what is this 1300 megabits? What does it mean? Say if you've got 10 devices connected or 20 devices connected and each of them is using 50 megabits, then obviously then you need a higher bandwidth, and this plug can support it. And this is one of the latest series of the AV1300 kit. So guys, the last unboxing which I did was for the TP-LINK AV1300. That was the WPA8630 series. Now this is the W8630P. So P stands for pass-through, and this is the plug. And let's check out what else comes in the box. So guys, in the box, if I just remove this shell, you do get a RJ45 cable and some other leaflets, right? It's always handy to keep this RJ45 cable because you might be having a lot of other RJ45 cables, but you can use this RJ45 cable to connect to your TP-LINK like that, and then you can connect it to your device or your telly. Usually people use this pass-through to connect to their telly if they've got a lot of buffering, so your router might be far. So you connect your router, then you connect your normal WPA8630 kit, the first plug, and then you have another plug, and this would be your third plug. Maybe you could connect it to another floor or a second floor where it would be helpful for all the devices over there. So I would highly recommend that if you have a larger home, then definitely you need this kit, because it's going to be helpful for the signals. Because if you do not have this kit, then you'll have two plugs, and one plug is already very near to your router and the other plug is literally supporting everything in your home, so it really doesn't make sense. And another thing, if you have those two plugs, the AV1300, the WPA8630 kit, ideally best to switch off the Wi-Fi on your router itself. Otherwise it doesn't make sense, because your one plug is very closely kept by the router, and let the pass-through and the other plug do the job in your home. Alright guys, this wraps up my video for the unboxing of the WPA8630P, which is for pass-through AV line plug. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. If you're planning to buy one AV line plug, there are from Netgear, there are other companies which produce it. They do a brilliant job. I mean, it's better than I've noticed than a Wi-Fi mesh. Wi-Fi mesh is pretty good, but a Wi-Fi mesh is like a booster. But this one is literally taking your internet signal, and it's not boosting it, but it is like you have a router in each room. So I personally feel that AV line plugs are much more effective, but the only downside is that you cannot roam with your device in your home. Alright guys, that brings my video to an end, and I'll catch you in my next video. I've got other unboxings coming, and I'll be doing other giveaways as well, so do subscribe to the channel as I said before, and do stay tuned for those giveaways, which I'll be doing very soon. Alright guys, catch you in my next video. Bye for now.